Jordan, I'm gonna tell you this one time.
Okay.
I didn't fart.
I'm gonna tell you this one time. Then you pooed it. What's up with it? It's your boy Jordy. Team Jordy is bitch. You already know what time it is. I don't know why the fuck I just got so close to y'all. It's almost like I tried to lick your ear. I don't know. Anyway, what's up with it? Team Jordy is bitch. You already know what time it is, man. It's time for another prank. And we just gonna get right through it, man. Y'all already are right to it. You already know what, you know, from the title, you know what this is. Brooke just went to the bathroom, which is a good thing. That means I'm about to use that to my advantage. And basically, I'm about to accuse her of her farting. Brooke cannot stand that shit. I do it all the time, especially if I do it. And then I blame it on her. She be getting pissed. She gets so mad. So I'm about to just, I thought I'd fuck with her. This is a simple little prank, you know, nothing. I don't know why I ain't thought about it before. Because when I say I do this to her all the time, probably almost on a daily basis. Not quite. But anyway, let's do it, man. I'm probably going to set y'all up on that messy ass. I was going to put it over here somewhere, but the only problem with that was I was going to be blocking the camera. But I thought I was going to have to because she was in here. But now that she went to the bathroom, I can actually put the camera up, which is a good thing. Brooke, you stink.
Shut up.
Smell your ass all the way in here. Alright, so it's a good thing that she went to the bathroom, because now I can actually really accuse her of farting. She's like doing makeup, or I don't know what she's baking. Do any females know what that means with makeup? That's what she's doing. She's got like shit all over her face. Like other than makeup, it's like some powder looking shit. I don't know. I'm over here just messing on the computers and stuff like that, so I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to get that ass. But that's enough talking. I'm sorry. Team Jordy's bitch. Make sure you get this drop this video. I'm talking about beat the fuck out that like button. Big old thumbs up. Let's do it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and have the camera set up and I'll turn it on whenever I hear her flush the toilet or whatever she's doing in the bathroom. Team Jordy, you already know what time it is. I'll see y'all in the comments. Let's do it. Ah, y'all, she just flushed the toilet. I think she's washing her nasty ass hands. Or at least I hope so. Team Jordy is bitch. Let's get it. Let's piss her off like we always do. Y'all know how we do. Feel better now?
Shut up.
Just fucking it up, Wayne.
No, I wasn't.
You just fart.
No, it's a chair.
Did you just fart?
Jordy was the fucking chair.
Okay. You say so, buddy.
Jordan, it was the chair.
Okay, Brooke. Brooke, okay, now I'm smelling something.
Don't even play. I did not fart and you know it. If you smelling something, it's you. What did you do?
Brooke, either it's you farting or you need to go in there and spray. It's either one, because I ain't did nothing. And you know I own mine, so I own up.
Jordan, I did not fart.
Then what? Why the hell am I smelling ass?
I don't know, Jordan. Maybe because you smell like ass, but I didn't fart.
Go. Did you spray something?
No, because I didn't do anything, Jordan.
All right, Brooke. All I'm saying is it's okay. We've been together for almost 2 years now.
Jordan, I didn't fart.
If you let out a little psst,
no,
nigga, it's fine.
I didn't.
Okay. Brooke, just own up to it.
But I didn't, though. I hate when you sit there. Well, why don't you believe me, though?
Okay, why are you getting so mad then?
But why you
getting so mad?
Because you over here acting like I'm a fucking liar, and I'm not. I didn't do it. If I did it, I would do. Like I would say it.
You making yourself look guilty, like you.
But I'm just saying, if I did it, I would have said something.
Then say it, because you obviously farted.
No, but I didn't.
Brooke.
Jordan.
It's just me and you. If you farted, it's fine.
Jordan, I didn't fart.
Why are you getting so defensive then?
Because I didn't fucking fart. That's why. Stop accusing me of that shit.
is what I heard, nigga. And I'm sure your whole area is all stink.
It fucking doesn't, Jordan, stop.
Why are you getting so mad?
Because I hate when you do that shit. I swear you do that shit just to get on my fucking nerves.
Well, you shitting on yourself is getting on my nerves. If you just own up to it, be fine. We move on.
But I didn't.
Okay. If you say so. Stinking ass. It's fine, Brooke. You making yourself look guilty when you get mad.
Okay.
Just own up to it. You farted. Say it.
But I didn't.
Say it.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Brooke, you
No, I
farted.
No, I didn't.
Well, I believe you did.
What?
I said I believe you did.
You believe I did?
Yep.
Okay.
Why it smell like that?
Probably because of you.
Probably because of you.
Probably because of you, Jordan. That's why.
You saying because of me. You don't want.
Shut up! I didn't. Whatever.
You mad now?
No.
Huh?
No.
You mad?
It's cool. Stop. You're gonna fuck me up.
I love my baby, even though she shit on herself. Even if you fart, I still love you, okay? Just
Get
don't do
off
it
of
frequently.
me.
Just don't do it so frequently. And you just used the bathroom. You literally just left the bathroom. You hear me? I know you hear me.
Yep.
Let me slide over there. You literally just used the bathroom.
Yep.
So you still over here farting on yourself?
No, I didn't.
You pooed it. Alright, I won't say you farted. Just say you pooed it and I'll leave you alone. Just
But
say
I
it.
didn't.
Just say it.
But
say
I didn't.
Say it.
No,
say
because I
pooed it.
didn't.
Say I pooed it.
I'm not gonna sit
Just
here and
say
say
it.
No, because
I
I
got you.
fucking
Fuck it up.
didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You pooed it.
No, I didn't.
You pooed it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I fucking didn't, Jordan.
Stop hitting me.
No, stop saying that shit, because I didn't.
Bro.
I hate when you sit there and do that shit. Like,
Bruh.
you accuse me of lying, pretty much. If I did it, I'd let you know. I wouldn't be sitting here doing this with you right now, would I? No, I wouldn't, because it's fucking stupid.
Exactly. So just say you farted and we'll be over
But I
it.
didn't.
Bro, I just want you to be
Jordan,
comfortable.
it was literally
You
the
can be-
chair.
You can be comfortable with me. If you farted, own up to it. I mean, I ain't saying just go around doing it, but you can, if you got to. Better in than out, like Shrek always says. You farted.
I didn't.
You pooed it.
I didn't.
You tooted.
I didn't.
You sharted.
I didn't.
I love you either way, bro. You ain't got a lot of me. Alright?
No,
Yeah, you did.
no,
You farted.
I didn't.
I'll be back.
Really?
You just need some disinfectant, maybe? Here.
Stop
Shit,
doing that
ow!
shit.
Brooke, chill.
Stop doing that shit.
Here.
No.
And I'll spray it.
Stop. You're getting it on me, Jordan. Stop. It's not funny. Stop.
You stop.
Stop. Stop. Jordan, I'm not fucking playing with you. Stop it.
Brooke,
Stop.
it's okay if you
Stop.
farted.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Damn, don't make no sense, bro.
I'm over here trying to do something. You keep fucking with me.
So why'd you take the
calling me a
spray away?
liar.
Why you take the spray away? Look at your chair, it done broke it.
This is already broken.
Well, I'm sure it just broke even more after you farted on it.
Jordan, don't fucking play.
Bro, I'm just saying, be real. Like, it's fine.
I am being real, Jordan.
Then own up to it.
Stop! We were literally just over
you
this
looking for
shit.
something to
Now
throw
you
at me?
want to fucking bring this back up? Why?
Because you farted.
Jordan, I'm gonna tell you this one time.
Okay.
I didn't fart.
I'm gonna tell you this one time. Then you pooed it. Either way.
I didn't fucking do it.
Okay, yes you did.
No, I didn't.
I'm not, bro. I know what I heard and I know what I smelled, so.
Okay. No, I'm fucking done arguing with you. There's no point. There's literally no point. 'Cause I didn't do it, but you're gonna sit here and keep calling me a liar, dragging it out.
Well, listen, since you already up, go take your ass to the bathroom.
No.
Cause you shit on yourself. You farted.
No.
I'm just messing with you, damn it. You mad at me?
No.
It's just a prank, baby. I was just accusing you.
That's great that it's a prank, but you actually do that shit and it pisses me off.
Your ass stink.
You stink.
Team Jordan this bitch, you already know what time it is. Smash that like button for your boy. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I know that prank wasn't all that, but hey, at least we got some type of reaction out of Brooke. Cause what we do is annoy her, you know what I'm saying? That's what we do. Look at you. With your shitty self.
Can't
Nigga,
do
you
much
see how I
of
do
that. No, don't do it. I got lemonade in my hand, don't do it.
Shit, let me get a drink. Alright, y'all, I'm out. Team Jordy.